How to use Canva Brand Kit for consistent design. So in here, all you need to do is first of all log into your account. Then from here, simply tap on more option right here. Then you'll be able to see the option of brand. Simply tap on that one, and then from here you'll be now able to use your brand kit. So in here, you obviously would know that you would actually need your Canva Pro in order to use your brand kit. So in here, if you do have that option, then you can simply do that, right? So we also have the free trial for 14 days, or you can even start with 3 free colors. So if you tap on that one, now in here you'll be able to choose your color palette. You can simply choose your color palette however you want, just like this. And after doing that, you can now add in your themes right here. And after doing that, you can go through all of the process of how you'll be able to create yourself a Canva brand kit for consistent design. And that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.